This is the Gluteus Minimus Myofascial stretch. So this one actually you want to maintain a kind of an S curve to your spine. So you actually want to arch that lower back a little bit. You're going to go hands out in front of the front knee. We've got 90-degree bend here, 90-degree bend in the back as well. From that position there, you're going to stack yourself over that front knee and you're trying to shine your right butt cheek, in this case my right butt cheek, I'm trying to shine it so that it's shining towards the ceiling. From that position there, if you want to advance it, if my right leg is forward, it's the opposite arm that I then reach out, pull the fingers back and reach forward as far as I can, driving forward, reaching forward. If you feel like you can go even further, then we're going to do them both arms, making sure that I tuck my chin in. So pick your variation and get the other side. Hold for 30 seconds. That's the Gluteus Minimus Myofascial stretch.